Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because finally I'm gonna show you my Sephora haul, and also because I bought this mic so that you can hear me better. Before we jump into the video, please make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and please keep on watching. So actually, I'm gonna start showing you my haul in the order you're gonna apply your makeup with. But before I show you anything, I want to let you know that all the products that I bought are all hyped up products with very high reviews on Sephora. So the first product I have here is actually skincare. So this is the ordinary hyaluronic acid. So it's actually a serum that you apply before your moisturizer. And this is how the package is looking like. And here is the bottle. And I've actually been using it since I got it because I was all out of hyaluronic acid. Very good in packaging. It's a frosted glass bottle with a dropper applicator. Looks like this. And for the couple of weeks I've been using it, I've noticed a really good difference. It's very hydrating, it plumps my skin. I use it in the morning and before I go to bed. Now I know this is not something I actually bought. You know, when you order something from Sephora online, you get to choose 2 samples. So I chose the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation sample. I got 2 shades here, 2 and 5.5. I know it's a very expensive foundation, so I thought why not give it a try first before actually going in and buying it. Next up is actually a concealer, and this is the most hyped up concealer in the world right now. It's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and here's the package. I got the shade light beige. I think the packaging is really cute. So this is how the concealer itself looks like. And it's actually pretty huge compared to other concealers. So this one is 15 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. So let's open it up. It's pretty big, even the cap is pretty big. It's a doe foot applicator, of course. And it's a huge one actually. Looks like this. And it's supposed to be super full coverage but lightweight and creamy as well. So I can't wait to actually use this one. The next product I have is actually a brow product. So this is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And of course you guys know about it. It's not new, but it's very popular and I've only heard good things about it. I actually got the mini because I don't use brow products very much, as you can see. So this is the packaging. I really love Benefit packaging, and I think this is the first time I buy something from Benefit. So here's how it looks like. It's a very small pencil. It would be great for like drawing hair strokes easily on your eyebrows. I got the shade number 4 actually. Another Benefit product I got is the roller liner eyeliner. I got the mini one as well because I don't apply eyeliner a lot. And also to save money, let's be real. So here's how the packaging looks like. So this one is supposed to be matte. It says here on the package, precision felt tip liquid liner, 94% said it creates a smooth continuous line and 91% said it stays put. And here is how it looks like. It's a very thin felt tip liner. I think it would be perfect for my hooded eyes to apply eyeliner like in a precise way and easily create a dramatic wing. So next up is another Too Faced product. So this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And it's also one of the most hyped bronzers out there. It's the matte one. Also love the packaging. So here's how it looks like. Of course you guys know about it, it's nothing new here. And of course it smells like chocolate. And it has a nice mirror inside, and this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if this shade would be good for me. I think this one is meant for medium to deep skin tones. I have a medium skin tone with olive undertone, so hopefully this one will work. And now for my favorite two products of this haul. So first up, I got this highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It's the Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. I think you guys also know this one. It's very popular, and I've wanted to actually swatch it since I got it, but wanted to do that in front of you guys. So this is how the package looks like. I don't think you can see it well on camera, but it has like a purpley shimmer on the white package. I'm not sure if you can pick it up. So this is the shade Trophy Wife. It looks crazy in the pan, to be honest, but I've heard it doesn't look as yellow on the face as it looks in the pan. So here how it looks like. And it has a big nice mirror as well. I'm gonna swatch this, you guys, and I'm really scared, okay? You know what? I'm gonna try it. Okay? Okay, got my highlighter brush. Are you ready for this moment? I'm not gonna dip too much, I'm just gonna touch it. Tap off the excess. Can you see it? I hope the camera can pick it up. It's super pigmented. I can't believe this. Look at this. Okay, I'm obsessed. Okay, I need to use this in a proper makeup look. By the way, if you wanna see how I created this look, I think I'm gonna upload it after this video, so stick around for that. And finally, for my favorite product of all in this haul is this NARS Exposed Cheeks palette. So this is how the package looks like. And this is how the palette itself looks like. It has like 3D waves here, if you can see. I really love this packaging. And at the bottom here is the shade names. So let's open it up. So here how it looks like. It has the same like waves on the pans. So it seems there are like 3 blush shades, 2 bronzers and a highlight shade. Actually, I'm gonna swatch them all in front of you. So here are the swatches. From the left is the blush shade Tell All, the Now or Never, the lighter pink shade, Give It Away, the darker pink blush shade, and then Make You Mine, which is the highlight shade, Come Hither, which is the lighter bronzer shade, and New Fling is the darker bronzer shade at the end. I know guys, this one is very expensive, but the formula and the packaging are, I think it's worth it. You know what? I'm gonna try some of the shades here on camera. Actually gonna try the highlighter shade in my inner corners. Can you see it? I love this shade so much. I'm gonna try one of the blush shades as well, so I think I'm gonna try the middle pink one, which is Now or Never. It's very soft sheen, very soft pink color. Not sure if you can see it. This Trophy Wife highlighter, you guys, I can't. So there you have it, guys. This was all the products. Let me know if you're interested in seeing me do like a first impression video trying everything in this haul. And also let me know if you have any of these products and what do you think of them. Did you like them? Did you hate them? And also if you have any suggestions for makeup products or skincare that you would like me to review or try, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I got 2 shades here. Another benefit product I got is the roller liner eyeliner, like in a precise way and easily create a dramatic wing because I suck at it. The packaging